Welcome, today I am with REALME Smart 360 camera and now I'll show you how I can input micro SD card to this device. So you have to simply grab your camera like that and then move this camera upwards. Do it gently, and as you can see in this place we can find SD card input. So we have to put our SD card like that in this position and then just simply put it right here. Use your fingernail to put it inside, so just press. Okay, we have to hold with one hand here and then just press. Okay, it goes very deep honestly, so I just struggle with this, as you can see, but right now everything is fine. And right now we can just put the camera back. Right now this input is hidden, and right now you can record video and store all of them on your SD card. If you want to unmount this SD card, just do the same. Press right here with your fingernail or with any additional accessories. And there it is. So as you can see, that's how it works. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.